Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix unable to install the app. This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. So guys, if you want to install the app and it's showing the error like this, I'll show you how can to fix this error. First of all, you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings app, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to make sure that you're properly connected with the internet. Alright guys, just simply you have to tap on Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just simply tap on this icon, then scroll it on and just simply you have to turn off configure proxy. Once you have done this, just simply check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open the settings app. From here guys, you have to scroll it on. From here you have to tap on general. From here you have to tap on software update and make sure that you don't have any pending update here. If you have, just simply you have to update your device. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on date and time and make sure that your time zone is correct. Then scroll it on, open settings again. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on channel again. Now from here you have to go to VPN and device manager, and from here you have to disconnect the VPN, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it's there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings app and just simply you have to tap on channel. From here you have to scroll it on and just simply have to go to transfer reset app. From you have to reset to all setting and just simply have to force restart your device, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open the settings app, and after that you have to tap on your Apple ID and just simply have to sign out your Apple ID. Once you have done this guys, you can easily fix your problem. So that's pretty much for today's video. If this helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.